Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Best Car Fixes. Here we are again on one of the Mercedes-Benz C300 2008. We spoke about it last time and we are trying to check this car one more. Here, what happened to it and what the reason we are working on it is just a cover. Here we have this car here, as you see, is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz C300. Whether it's E300 like that or C300, it's almost everything the same. You see, I took the wiper motor out with the brackets. We have the battery charger on this car. Have a problem of front SAM module is not communicating, which means that if I put the OBD2 into the car, I'm not able to communicate with anything. The reason why, two things. We have this place here is a water drainer from the wiper on the windshield. When the water comes here, it comes here and then it's supposed to come out through here into this small pocket here, and then it go out of the car. We have two drainers, one on the left side and one on the right side and left side. Sometime when this drainer clog, see, we have one here, we have one here, and I believe we have there is another one there. When it's clogged, the water raise, and you see here, it's come here and it will pour in this area here, whether it's here, or it will go inside the car. Now, when it go inside the car, the first thing it get touched or hit, this is one. It get hit, it will come here and it will float in this place. All this place will have water. Those computers, as you see here, those computer here, those wire is a communication network, just like a telephone line or electrical post line. When there is a hurricane or there is something that touch the electrical post, they blow out and there is no electricity. Here, when the water raise in this place, it will short out those wire. And with the short, those wire talking to each other through 2 volts. In each wire is communication line. They call it CAN high and CAN low. Let me start the car now. The car is start, but still we are not able to communicate with the front SAM module. You see here? Let's come out, let me check it. You see, I have 2 volts. This wire, the 2 wires that is here, each one have 2 volts. Even this wire here, when you got it, it's 2 volts. They're communicating very nice. Here they communicating, but when I try to get the same wire, I supposed to get it from here, which is this one. Let me put